the new Sierra helicopter. We're going to open the box to see. This is all the models that Sierra has made. And with the black is what comes next. When she has a Gazelle, a Chinook, and this one, an Osprey. Let's see now. C170 Apache, ready to fly. Let's see now. It's open this way. It has safety. If we manage. Give us a second. $148. With resistance, up, down, left, right, batteries, optical, and it flies upside down as well. The classic user manual. Wings, tails, rockets, sidewinders, everything. Charger. Also comes with a new transmitter. We have spare props. This is a beauty. Really, this is a beauty. It also has pilots inside. The motor and optical flow. Remote control. And basically, you need to calibrate it pre-flight. This one diagonal down and this one diagonal down. To start it, you have two options. Take off or down and out. 3 speeds, low, medium and high. We're going to assembling and we continue. We have 2-cell battery. Not normal size. It has only one. Needs its own charger. Now, steady to put the battery. Antennas. Wow. And that's it. And our little helicopter is ready. High details. Has also lights.